Yeah, here we have a Rong 20-inch swing, variable speed inverter drive drill press. It appears to be just slightly used. We believe it is a trade show model. It's in really good condition. We just cleaned it up. Just had a few little metal shavings on it. And we're going to power it up, show you that it does operate. So the machine's on, we'll go forward. And then we turn the dial. I'm going to flip the lid on here, as you can see. Turn the speed up. Now there's 2 pulley speeds on here. Just change the belt out by loosening the motor right here. You change the belt speeds on there, and you can do it with the variable speed drive here. A little bit over 2,000 RPM. Ramp it down. Turn it off, and then we'll go in the opposite direction. Again, over 2,000 RPM there. All the mechanical functions appear to operate fine. There's a manual down feed. Ramp this down to the center here. Turn the machine off. Overall, it's in really good condition. Got a little issue with the latches here. This one doesn't latch correctly because the latch is broken. This latch here is also broken. See the little piece right here. Other than that, the machine is in really good condition. Has a couple of paint scratches, little paint scuffs here and there. The top cover, little base. Your inverter drive sits in this box right here. Little decals peeling off here. This is the Rong RF 19V. And we thank you for looking at our product.